This is Heidi with WTI, and this PerlCare Memory Foam Mattress Topper was just the solution we needed to upgrade our mattress and to make it way more comfortable. Not only did it improve the comfort of our sleep, but it also gives us the support that we needed while we slept. The ventilated airflow channels, as well as the cool gel, help us to not get too hot at night while we sleep. And it's 3 inches, but we have no problem putting sheets on it and making the bed. We have truly enjoyed the comfort we get from this PerlCare Memory Foam Mattress Topper. And that's our point of view.